XR 12, turn right heading 290.
290, finish out 12.
XR 12 is make a turn, you'll have traffic Skyhawk, same destination, probably about a mile. You have them in sight.
Looking for traffic, finish out 12.
XR 12, contact departure.
Contact departure, finish out 12. Daytona departure, finish out 12, climbing from 1,200 to 3,000.
Phoenix Air 12, Daytona departure, radar contact, climb VFR 3,500, proceed on course to Craig.
Proceed on course to Craig, VFR, climb to 3,000, finish out 12.
Phoenix Air 12, altitude assignment 3,500.
3,500, finish out 12. Time flap 0, auxiliary fuel pump off. Under, climb power set. Proceed on course to Craig.
Riddle 406, contact Daytona approach 127.07, bye-bye.
Riddle 406, contact Daytona approach 127.07.
Yes. Phoenix Air 12, contact Daytona approach 127.07, bye-bye.
127.07, finish out 12.
Connection 217, contact Daytona approach 125.35, show help.
3,000 feet, inbound Daytona, full stop, Papa.
Phoenix Air 10, squawk code 0113.
Daytona approach, finish out 12, climbing from 2,900 to 3,500.
Phoenix Air 12, Daytona Beach approach, I maintain 4,500.
That was for finish out 12?
Phoenix Air 12, I maintain 4,500.
4,500, finish out 12. Okay, cruise power is set, measure. Put, landing and taxi light is off, and cruise checklist is complete. Ay, 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 primer solo, vale. Los contra. Okay, so around here we are east of Flagger. Now we can take the timer and put the timer. So in my flight plan, it showed that from Flagger to Crescent Bridge is gonna be around 10 minutes. So around 10 minutes.
Connected 17 Hotel Fighting 250, contact Orlando approach 135.3.
For around 10 minutes, I should be able to see
just Fighting 250.
Crescent Bridge.
250, Orlando approach 135.
So it say that we have to be arriving around 31 minutes. Yeah. It's 22 minutes. What?
Connected 17 Hotel, contact Orlando approach 135.3 for 17 Hotel.
135.7, Orlando approach, 507 Tango Hotel.
Connected 507 Hotel, Orlando approach 135.3, 35.3, sir.
135.3, thank you very much, 507 Tango Hotel.
Daytona approach, Kodiak, November 71, Kilo Quebec, climbing 2,300 for 3,000.
November 71, Kilo Quebec, Daytona Beach approach, climb maintain 4,000.
Climb and maintain 4,000, 71, Kilo Quebec.
.340 because there is more wind and the wind are pushing me.
contact Jacksonville approach 118.0.
118.0, Phoenix Air 12.
Daytona approach, this is 156 Echo Whiskey with
Jacksonville approach, Phoenix Air 12, level of 4,500.
Phoenix Air 12, Jacksonville approach, Jack South altimeter 3009er.
3009er, Phoenix Air 12.
Charlie, traffic when you get steps on the heading will be 1 to 2 o'clock at 5 miles. Is a Navy P3 doing some air work at 5,500.
So we are in the top of the bridge.
Navy leaving limit 67, traffic about 5 miles southwest here, position northwest bound, J. Pilatus leaving 8,300 for 6,000.
It's going to be the Villano Bridge. That's going to take us around 5 minutes.
Phoenix Air 39, contact Craig Tower 132.1.
contact Craig Tower 132.1, Phoenix Air 39.
Riddle 406, maintain VFR at or above 4,500 for traffic.
I already can see the bridge, but I will wait until I get on top of the bridge and I will start climbing again for the next
approach Phoenix Air 33, Sudan Solo, we have information Quebec.
November 673 Delta Whiskey, turn left heading 100.
around 20 minutes left.
Cessna approach Phoenix Air 33, Sudan Solo, information Quebec, we have it.
Phoenix Air 33, Jacksonville approach, roger, Jacksonville altimeter 3009er.
I forgot to say student.
Phoenix Air 33, roger, thank you.
Riddle 4.
Oh, we are in the top, just in the top of Ano Bridge. Around 5 minutes as the flight plan says. We will reset the timer for the next checkpoint. That is gonna be out east of the forest, 180 of 347. 47, I will put 340.
Jacksonville approach 0406 has Quebec for Craig.
406, roger, thank you.
Actually 333. That's the wind.
Golden Eagle 019, when you're able to proceed direct to Brunswick COR, which is SSI.
And I guess we can start getting the 80s. One to 5. 125.4.
3009er. Digital approach runway 23 in use. VFR aircraft, advised direction of flight. Northbound aircraft remain outside of Class Charlie airspace or contact Jack's approach on 124.9er. Advise on this contact, you have information, Quebec.
Quebec.
Craig Tower information, Quebec, time 1153 Zulu with observation. Wind 210 at 4, the weather is better than 5005, temperature 260.24. Altimeter 3009er. Visual approach runway 23 in use. VFR aircraft, advised direction of flight. Northbound aircraft remain outside of Class Charlie airspace or contact Jack's approach on 124.9er. Advise on this contact, you have information, Quebec.
Quebec. 3009, I have it. Runway use is 23.
4109er, Jacks, contact approach 127.0.
We can expect is right
3 Delta Whiskey, turn left heading 050.
downwind. For me, feel for left downwind for runway 23. Traffic pattern.
Good day, guys. Challenger 6 Juliet Lima, Jacks.
Jacksonville approach, Phoenix Air 12 with you.
Phoenix Air 12, Jacks. Phoenix Air 12, contact Craig Tower 132.1, see you.
132.1, finish at 12.
You to slow it down as much as possible. There's a Cessna just ahead and to your left indicating 100 knots. I want you to widen it out to your right, fly northeastbound and into the left base, runway 23.
All right, we got a visual on him. We're going to spin it out to the northeast, and we'll join the left base 23.
Traffic now just off your left side is a Cessna 172 southbound 2,000 feet.
Yeah, I got visual on both of them.
Roger.
Correct tower, 603 to the whiskey on 2 on final.
603 Delta Whiskey, runway 23, or correction, runway 32, clear for the option.
Runway 32, clear for the option, 603 Delta Whiskey.
Correct tower, finish at 12. Around 5 nautical miles south of the airport, about full stop with information Quebec.
Phoenix Air 12, correct tower into the left base, runway 23, report midfield.
Report midfield for left base, runway 23, finish at 12.
Tower 254 is midfield, full stop.
Cessna 254, just extend you down. You can follow T-34 traffic on about a mile and a half left base. Just let me know when you get him in sight.
Okay, we'll be looking for the T-34 extending downwind 254. We had the T-34, 254.
254, you number 3 now, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear land number 3 behind 88 Romeo Mike, I think it is, 254.
We will try to avoid that cloud. Window is a small one, but just in case.
Phoenix Air 12, I want you to enter the left downwind now for runway 23. The left downwind to 23, and just report midfield.
Left downwind for runway 23. Left downwind for runway 23. Finish at 12. Medium report midfield. Correct tower, finish at 12, midfield downwind for runway 23.
Phoenix Air 12, you're going to follow Cessna 150 traffic on just inside of 1 mile final. Let me know when you get the traffic in sight.
Okay, I will advise you when I have traffic inside. Finish at 12.
Hey, Romeo Mike, you're just going to depart to the south, you're staying in the pattern.
I'm out of here. You're busy enough. Thanks a lot, Eddie Romeo Mike. Head to the south.
Hey, Romeo Mike, Roger, you can turn left on course to the south. Thanks for the work. We'll talk to you later.
Thank you. See you. Airlock 7, clear to the west.
Airlock 7, Roger. Frequency changes approved. We'll talk to you later.
Airlock 7, Roger.
Correct tower, finish at 12, have traffic inside, adjustment final.
Phoenix Air 12, your number 2, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 23, number 2, finish at 12.
Four, contact ground, point 8.
254.
Oh, no, good, good.